Today we're creating a super cute Guess the Baby Bump design using Templett. Here's the original template, already adorable, but I want to give it a fresh twist for a baby girl shower. First things first, I'm removing the pink and blue background. Since this one's just for mom's little girl, we're going all in on the pink theme. Now I'm heading over to the Elements section, selecting illustrations, and searching for something that fits the vibe. I've decided on a pink flowers look, soft, elegant, and perfect for a baby girl party. Once I drop in the flowers and adjust the placement, I'll duplicate them and add another set to the bottom of the design. Next, it's time to change the fonts to match the new aesthetic. For the title, I'm swapping to Petite Formal Script. It has that sweet feminine feel we're going for. I'll also adjust the spacing by clicking on line height and tweaking it until it looks just right. Then I'll bump up the size to make it stand out. For the body text, I'm using Railway. It's clean, modern, and easy to read. To tie it all together, I'm changing the title text color to match the pink tones in the flowers. And the body text to a soft gray. Just a few quick tweaks and we're done. A fresh, girly take on the classic baby bump guessing game, ready to impress guests at the shower. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design ideas with Templett.